to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head.
Welcome to a new vlog. Today we're gonna explore Frigiliana, one of the most beautiful villages here in Andalusia. So let's explore it together. Frigiliana is one of the most beautiful villages here and therefore the most visited, and for this it's very crowded. If you read all the touristic recommendation, you'll see all of them or most of them recommend this village, so it must be very beautiful. We just walked our first part. So far so good.
Down to fight one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time?
Look how green is this area, and the view as well to the mountains. We have some queens here and another. I've seen olive trees with full of olives. It's a very nice garden. There's one way to go to the historic center, uphill only. If I don't think you find parking uphill though, to get the job easier. But even though the walk is so nice, it's very hot outside, but I promise I'm not complaining about heat because autumn is coming soon, so I'm gonna miss the summer a lot.
Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wild.
Frigiliana was voted as the most beautiful village in Andalusia. The historical center is definitely the star of the village, with white houses decorated with flower pots and the cobble street that makes you think you came back in time. The Spanish authenticity can be felt everywhere on the streets of this village.
Be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens.
Look at this flower pot, how it's built into the stairs. This village is the same pattern as Mija's Pueblo, which we visited in the previous vlog. On our exploring, we saw even how the locals use animals to transport bricks or other construction materials to the hilly village. Unfortunately, the animal didn't look happy and I couldn't help feeling bad for him, especially that his back was full of bricks that he has to take them uphill on a 40 degrees heat. Oh, poor you. You don't look very happy. Hello. But on a happier approach of the situation, Frigiliana is a charming place where you can spend an amazing day. You can explore the streets, hike, visit a museum, or simply enjoy a drink at one of the outdoor pubs. And I think now we're heading to a more commercial area with shops and other things, because the area that we just visited is more where the locals live, with houses and narrow streets, and this one looks like it's a shopping street. A local wine.
Bailando en la disco la canción soltera. Se ve que ella no está puesta para el amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea acá.
If you don't want to go by foot through the village, you can use the tuk-tuk. An easier way if you want to go uphill. I wanted to show you the view over the mountains, which is very beautiful. If you want to plan a holiday in Spain, especially in Andalusia, you'll have plenty of places to visit. Obviously, we didn't visit everything. We tried to find the most beautiful places, and I vlog nearly every day, so you'll have lots of vlogs on my channel. This one will be the last one. Apparently, we didn't visit all the historic center. There's one more side opposite that building. There's this side here, which goes uphill. I thought that's all, but no. And I think you can spend few hours, maybe half day, in this beautiful village. I've seen restaurants, bars, and there are also buses coming here. If you don't have a car, you can take a bus that gets you here. The view. I'm already tired of these hills, but obviously it's my choice to explore. I think this is my favorite part, to take every place by foot and see all the hidden streets and corners and enjoy at the maximum. A better view to the mountain. It's here. If you ask me, I think there are plenty of hiking trails that you can do in these mountains, but obviously don't come here in the summertime because it's very, very hot. And I think better on winter. I don't think it's snowing too much in this area anyways. It's gonna be 10-15 degrees. Perfect, the perfect weather to hike. Here, the library. Let's see inside, if they let us in, of course. So far no one said anything. Now that we visited a few more villages here in Andalusia, we can say this village is like a mix between Ronda and Mijas Pueblo. Ronda because of the shape of the buildings, and Mijas because of the color. we stopped for lunch at one of the terraces here in Frigiliana. If you want to eat at the noon time, you might wait a little bit because it's very crowded, and there are only, I think I've seen only 2 or 3 restaurants in all the village. So you might wait for a table a little bit. The place is called Restaurante Virtudes.
Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que sola no me beses.
All the restaurants, bars, places you can visit, and like pharmacy and the most important streets, they all near this roundabout. It's called Plaza de las Tres Culturas. In this square, Plaza de las Tres Culturas, if you walk a little bit further, there are some restaurants and bars. And of course, a very beautiful view to the mountains.
Ese hombre que me sepa amar, que me además de novia también sea amigo. Sos justo, no veo qué casualidad. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo al abrazarte. Tú has prendido esa llama que arde. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Sé que de locos, pero yo te amo. Yo ya no sé ni decirte.
The main street, if you look down a little bit, there are some avocado trees.
Pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo.
And this was our day exploring Frigiliana. I hope you liked the vlog. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.